Hi guys! 9 p.m. na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. And again, ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, pachi, chimen, yijing, and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po? Kumusta po? And again, nice to be back. Back again, okay? And inagahan na natin para po sa mga ating mga viewers na medyo late na lagi, 11. So, ngayon, 9 o'clock. And then you can also make a replay po naman. You can look at this, and then pwede mo i-replay. Assignment all for tomorrow, Friday po, no? All you have to do on Friday, which is a July 19, the birthday of my sister, Ting. Happy birthday tomorrow. That is Friday po. So, Friday is considered as the wood monkey enters the remove officer day. Ayan. Of course, you want to know, BFF, ano ba pwedeng gawin sa monkey, sa wooden monkey, sa wood monkey remove officer day? Oh, let's check. Tingnan natin. At least meron tayong guide of how we can do it better, no? That's the most important. Naka-tailor fit of what you're thinking now and what to do tomorrow. Okay. Sabi dito, suitable for all activities. Yan. So, Ma'am Karen, thank you so much for the consultation natin ngayon. After 6 years, no po. Thank you so much, Ma'am, ha? And it's good na nakita niyo po yung aking number again. And see you again, Madam, face-to-face po. But for the online po, thank you so much, ma'am, for the blessing. Salamat po. And see you soon, ma'am. And it's also good to know that follower ka rin po pala ni Joey Yap. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nagka-align po tayo. And more blessings for you, ma'am. So, suitable for all activities, no? Wow, nice. Suitable for whom? Sabi dito, rat is very good. Ox is average. Tiger is not so good. Rabbit is average. Dragon and snake, very good. Horse, not so good. Goat, average. Monkey, very good. Rooster, average. Dog and pig, not so good. Ayan. Okay. Now, so lahat naman, you want to make sure that what you will do tomorrow, i-10x natin. So we do the daily chimen. Okay, of course naman. Gawin natin yan. Okay, daily chimen. Let us check. Okay, 19. Okay, says here, if you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, talikod sa south. Game changer, talikod sa southwest. If you want to create opportunities and have that resources, talikod sa northwest. Health is wealth. Ooh, not feeling well, talikod sa north. Anything to do with finances, talikod sa northeast. And heart-to-heart talk, negotiations, talikod naman sa east. Wow. Now, sa mga nagre-request, Norman, pahingi naman ng mga green dragon mo dyan, flying bird fall into cave, and jade maiden watching the door. Oh, meron po tayo. Ito po, bigay ko po. Then again, we do the script again, ha? Mag-script tayo po ulit. What to do, what to say in manifesting, no po? Okay. 19. Ayan. Okay. So, 19, Jade Maiden watching the door as early as 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Jade Maiden watching the door. If you want to pray for resources, have a good health, have a good doctor, talikod sa southeast. Jade Maiden watching the third most auspicious structure in Chimen. And then we have the flying bird falling to cave, talikod sa north. Again, if you want to ask for resources and to have more courage, you can do that, backing to north. And again, Jade Maiden watching the door, 5 p.m. to 6:59 p.m. Talikod sa north. And also for good health, you can have this also. Wow. Okay. Now, let's do it again. Count from 64 to 1. So, let's do the daily chimen. At least, mas madali-dali ito. Kuha tayo ng example sa daily chimen. Let us say, okay, gusto mo pong gamitin ang Hi, Brother Senior Warden, Kuyang Joseph, Nobs. Good evening po. Hi, good evening. Thanks for watching, Nobs. So, gusto mong gamitin, Nobs, North, tomorrow, whole day, na merong for good health, no? Actually, may client po ako, dapat, I think tomorrow, kaso lang po, nagka-COVID, no? Blessing na lang po na there's another client na open and sked na pupuntahan ko po tomorrow, Friday. Pero nakagulat, may COVID pa pala din po, no? Wow. So, brethren, ingat, BFF. So, if you're not feeling well, back to north. So, how am I gonna use this tomorrow? 7 stars po ito. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. So, script po tayo ulit, ha? Script. Importante po yung may script para wag po tayong maligaw. Okay, sabi dito, Universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize. Ayan. Self-love and people by always attracting supportive community, drawing connection that empowers my health and my path. And then, dugtungan nyo po for whatever thing you want more, you can add to that and say amen, or how you end your prayer, you can do that. And then, visualize po what you want. Very important. Okay? So, BFF, I'm so blessed and happy po that may mga clients po ako, no, for the longest time, have been coming back. Thank you so much po. And kayo po na hindi ko pa po namimit in person, hoping and praying that one of these days, you will be my client too, in the flesh, wherever you are. Alam nyo po, online po, marami na rin po tayong kliyente all over the world. Thank you so much po sa inyo. I know it's a different time zone, pero still, nakakapag-consult po tayo. Thank you so much for that. Hi, to Kuyang SK Gunter, sir. Kumusta po? How was your travel in, New Zealand? SK, how are you? Kumusta? See you soon, ha? See you soon, no? Mag-change of the year na naman. Again, BFF, thank you so much for the opportunity to being able to share. Let us continuously pray for each other. Let us continuously pray for our leaders. Let's continue to pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. With a grateful heart. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless. Good night and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.